All right, guys, so the ride is all cleaned up. This is kind of a review of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Just kind of showing you the camera, showing you the ride too. There's some skateboarders over there. I might go ahead and get some of their footage. They was just screaming and yelling, wanting to be on video. Yeah, but the GoPro Hero 7 Black is it's a nice camera, man. I mean, right now I'm shooting at 1080p in linear at 60 frames per second, and the stabilization is fantastic with this thing, man. Really been enjoying it. Footage is good, and it's a good camera, man. Decided to take it to the wash and take you through the wash with me and show you what that's like. You haven't seen a person wash a car before, but man, this color car looks great. When it's not too sunny out, this car looks fantastic. It's a real windy day out too, so keep that in mind. If you hear a lot of wind, it's what it is. But just check out how well the camera does, man. Takes great photos, everything. I've really been enjoying it. The stabilization is really, really good. I like the super wide shot, but I'm starting to like linear mode better because it's just a straight view. It's not really that bubble effect, and it's a good look, man. All right, man, I'm gonna give you a sound clip of the beast, and then I'm gonna get out of here.